Okay, now we are to the actual chart of accounts. Based on the information you put in earlier in the interview, the QuickBooks program has come up with and offered you a chart of accounts to get you started. The accounts that actually have the check mark in the left-hand column are the ones that they're recommending that we use. Now, what I want to do is look through this with you a little bit, and probably we're going to make a couple of changes. But even if we didn't, this would be good enough to get a person started. You can always come back and add and delete accounts later. So let's just look through here. We've got an income account for your sales, and if you give any discounts. If you also want to use that service sales account to keep track of consulting or anything else that you do in addition to products, you could go ahead and check that and add that to the setup.
Okay, because I do on a regular basis teach classes.
QuickBooks has here checked merchant account fees, and they've set that up as a cost of goods sold account. We'll talk about the type of accounts and these categories a little bit later, but for right now I think we'll just leave that account in there. The purchases account resale items, I really don't like the name of that account, but that account really is in fact the most important account you're going to need to calculate your cost of goods sold. Okay, the Ask My Accountant account is a relatively new account that QuickBooks has added. What I like to have people do is whenever they have a question about a transaction that they're posting and they're just not sure about it if they're doing it correctly, if they post it to that account, then it's very easy for the accountant who's helping you reviewing your files to find all your questions right away.